Contact 5 people in your sphere for a free home evaluation. Okay, you know people that say, hey, well, I'm just doing something right now. I do this weekly. I just call people I know, and I want to make sure you know how much your home is worth, because a lot of things changing in the marketplace every day. You guys are seeing on CNN. So I'd like to do that for you. And what you'll find out is if you're good at pricing homes, people, then people will be like, oh, I didn't know my house was worth that much. Then they say, oh man, maybe I can use the equity to go buy another home. Now that the market's cooled off and less buyers, they say less buyers are buying. That's what the news report is saying. 6% slowdown in housing sales, right? Maybe I can sell my house now and really go buy the dream home I want, because if I wanted to buy a $500,000 home, if they send sales are down 6%, that's $30,000 I could save. These are the type of videos y'all should be putting on the internet, guys. Just piggyback off all the fear. My daughter's a news producer for Channel 5 here, Fox 5 here in Atlanta. And I'm telling you, all they do is put fear on TV. She stayed at our house during the pandemic, and she sits with a police scanner and listens to the bad news. And she dispatches reporters out to get breaking news about all the stuff going on that's bad. I was like, do y'all put anything that's good on the news? I said, you need to go to CNN, get into some world news. I said, because I'm literally sits with a police scanner, guys. So those of you that are religiously watching the news, I wouldn't do it. I'm telling you, my daughter
I don't watch the
news
news.
producer. She is a news producer. The news you see at 6 o'clock on, if you watch Fox 5, is her show. And she does phenomenal. She's up for Emmy right now. So she's doing a good job with it. So lead follow-up. Sync. You guys don't know about Sync, but you have your reminders tabs. Call your leads. Book one appointment. Call every Sync, Expire, FSBO daily. Right? You don't have to spend hours doing this stuff, guys, but you need to spend 1 hour.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? 1 hour. I would say 1 hour, 3 days a week. And that would be the best time to maximize your time would be 7:30 to 9 in the morning, or 4:30 to 6:30 at night. Right? Do somebody. There we go. All right. So do that. Be the expert. How do you do it? You guys kind of talked about this already. KeepingCurrentMatters.com is a good website. They have a monthly subscription if you don't want to have to find information on your own. KeepingCurrentMatters.com. They talk about real estate, and they have a lot of different articles. They pay, I think it's $29 a month. KeepingCurrentMatters.com is a good one.
And you auto schedule your social media.
Yeah, here's something I pulled up for you guys. They have blog posts, they have buyer and seller guides, they got monthly market reports, websites, all this different stuff. They could post on your social media for you. I mean, here's the prices: $29-$30 a month. I mean, it's $1 a day. I doubt if you need to go premium, but even if you pay $50 a month, it's less than $1.50 a day, right? To run your business. And if you wanted to be the person that's putting information about, what's happening in your marketplace, be the local expert. People are going to come to the local expert. You could just specialize on your city. Create a private Facebook page about, where do you live, Ashley? Pensacola Information News. Boom. And next day you do one about another city. You could be the local expert in multiple areas for $1 a day. KeepingCurrentMatters.com.
Hello, this is Lauren.
Lauren? Lauren, you go on mute.
Hi.
All right, good. So KeepingCurrentMatters.com. Add that to your portfolio. Yes, it costs money to be successful. Sorry. Study your FMLS hot sheets. Carolyn talked about some stuff in FMLS that you had access to. And then try to do 2 open houses a week. How do you do that? Just do the for sale by owner stuff we talked about. Contact the for sale by owners, use our script. Can I bring, 5 to 10 buyers by on Saturday from 2 to 3 or Sunday at 3 to 4? They go, yes. Have them sign a form that allows you to show an unlisted property. And then in the special steps, write down, seller agrees to allow open house on this date and this time. We'll just say this date. And then now you cover it legally and you market their property for them free of charge. You guys with me?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's good stuff, man. I mean, this PowerPoint's about 8 years old, still relevant. All right. Do 2 open houses a week. That's 8 a month. You'll pick up 20, 30 buyers a month and sellers, especially if you're going after bigger listings. I mean, bigger for sale by owners. I keep talking about for sale by owners because it's free for y'all. I try to only talk about stuff that's free because some real estate agents, if you tell them it costs $1, they'll go in cardiac arrest. So I want to make sure that you guys know it's free if you have internet access. Okay? You don't even need a computer to do this. You can do it on your phone.